Hey everyone, it's Leticia here, and today I'm doing a review on the Revlon One Step Blow Dry Brush. I got this brush a while back ago for Christmas. It was a gift. It was a Christmas gift from my husband, and so far I've used it a few times. This brush has been super popular for a while now, so I wanted to see if it lives up the hype. I'll be going over pros and cons to help you decide if this is the right tool for you. I just left it a few minutes. My hair is still pretty wet. I'm gonna use this anti-freeze serum. It's also defense against heat styling, so I'm gonna use some of that. To start with the pros, this brush is real easy to use. This is a major selling point for this brush. It combines a blow dryer and round brush into one tool, so you can style your hair as you dry it. This is especially great for beginners who might find it difficult to coordinate a regular blow dryer and a round brush. All right, pro number 2. This brush saves me so much time when I'm in the mood and I feel like, not leave my hair so untamed. So, because you can dry and style your hair at the same time, this brush can definitely cut down on your styling routine. Now I'm gonna grab another section back here, and I'm trying to do like a curl, but I think it's gonna take me some practice. Many users report achieving a blowout in half the time it would take with traditional methods. Pro number 3, salon quality blowouts. This brush is designed to give you smooth, voluminous hair with minimal frizz. And according to a lot of reviews, it delivers. If you struggle to get a salon quality blowout at home, this brush is definitely worth considering. All right, pro number, I don't know what number, but number 1 reason why I wanted this brush, because it's affordable. Compared to high-end hair dryers and stylers, like the Dyson ones, the Revlon One Step is very affordable. This makes it a great option for those on a budget, like me. This is going to be attempt number 2 using my Revlon brush, hair dryer brush. I just want to learn how to do something with more volume and more curls with it, but I just thought I would redo this video again and hopefully do it better. I washed my hair maybe like an hour or 2 ago. It's almost completely dry. Let's get started now before it completely dries. I have a method in my head. I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's try it. Heat protectant, anti-freeze serum, and I'll do 2 pumps because I have a lot of hair now. I don't know how these girls are doing curls with this brush. Okay, that one kind of hurt. I'm still trying to get the hang of it. I'm still learning how to maneuver it and how to get the best salon quality blowouts. I did try this twisting method to achieve some curls. A few times I was concerned that my hair was gonna get tangled, and I just thought my hair was just gonna get stuck and tangled on the brush. A few times I did have to pull a bit harder than I wanted to. I did hurt my scalp a little bit, but like I said, I am getting the hang of it. I am going to keep practicing and try other methods and techniques. Now for the cons. This brush is a little on the heavy side and can get tiring to hold for long periods of time. Also, the large barrel size might be difficult to maneuver for those with short hair. Yeah, I think this is pretty much the only con for me so far. It could get a little loud on the high heat setting, which is something to consider if you have noise sensitivities. But other than that, I do really like this brush, and overall the Revlon One Step Blow Dry Brush is a great option for people who want to achieve salon quality blowouts at home quickly and easily. I'm still learning how to get the salon quality blowouts. I'm going to be testing a few other techniques. I mean, honestly, I don't use heat on my hair that often, but when I do, the Revlon brush, definitely a great option. It's affordable and delivers great results for many hair types. And for the most part, it did give me like a little bit of volume. It did, of course, leave my hair just very like manageable and very smooth, I gotta say. I do want to purchase a few products that will help me achieve more volume. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about the Revlon One Step Blow Dry Brush, or if there are any other hair tools you'd like me to review. Don't forget to give this video a like if you liked or if you found it helpful, and I hope to see you on the next video.